Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator episode 93 with Ethan, and I just need to feed 50 sunflower seeds and then I can finally finish my BB quest. Ethan's way more ahead off than me because I haven't been playing lately. What quest are you on again, Ethan?
I'm on quest line 2 for BB and I'm on Bee Cub Workshop 2.
Bee Cub Workshop, wow.
I'm not talking to you, Tina.
Okay, the boosts are right, the buffs are up. We're farming fast and that's enough. Simply having a wonderful Beesmas time. I said keep. Okay. Ho 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 ho. I do prefer Paul's solo stuff. A wonderful Beesmas time indeed. We're halfway through your quests. The Beesmas tree is coming together marvellously. Just look at all those ornaments. If you complete 5 more quests, there should be enough Beesmas magic radiating off that tree to bring your cub buddy to life. Yes, pure Beesmas radiation will animate your cub. 10 bitterberries and then crap. There's nothing more exciting. Shush. There's nothing more exciting and satisfying than opening a present. The joy of surprise mixed with the joy of knowing someone cares about you. Oh ho ho, it warms a BB's heart just thinking about it. That's why each year I bring gifts to every good boy and girl and cub. Everyone deserves to know the joy of opening a present on Beesmas Day. Except for those who have been naughty. The only surprise the naughty ones deserve is the shameful surprise of coal in their stocking. Yes, that's nothing that really happens. That's something that really happens. It's not just an old wives' tale. How did my Windy Bee summon a cloud in the mushroom field when I'm next to BB? Wait, I'm all the way over there. I can move my... Look, I'm still talking to BB and I'm on the 5 ramp. I'm about to be fighting the spider while talking to BB at the same time. Hello! Look, I'm all the way over here, but I'm still talking to BB.
Yeah.
I've got an entire mining operation
Well,
just to keep up with the coal demand.
Around.
Yeah. Ho ho ho, yes, the naughty list is outrageously long. But you and your bees have been good all year, haven't you? That's why I'm giving you these magic beans. Popping open a sprout is just like opening a Beesmas present, except it takes more work and it's mandatory for completing this quest. 400,000 from Strawberry Field, Pineapple Patch, 1 werewolf, 1 windy bee and 1 vicious bee, and 100 tokens from Spouts. Ho ho ho. And now I'm all the way over here on the... Naughty or Nice, that's the one I'm on, Ethan. So what were you going to say?
If I'm late to school, Thomas, don't wonder why. I'll still be talking to Spirit Bee once I finish my quest on Monday.
Okay. What is my Spirit Bee quest?
I hope we're in the same class.
Me too. Really, really, really hope. Oh, that's the ornament one for her.
It would be annoying getting another teacher, another class. It's really annoying.
I know.
Without any friends.
And if we aren't in the same class, at least hope we're next to each other, like we did last year.
Oh yeah.
But hopefully there won't be.
Because we're next to each other.
Hopefully there won't be another Miss Woods type of teacher.
But I was hoping I would get any of our friends apart from Lloyd. Lloyd was meant to be in my class, but he moved.
Yeah.
I've been a Spirit Bear.
And also, guys,
Right
I'm gonna see Trent tomorrow. I haven't seen Trent in ages. I might actually record with him if... maybe. I don't know.
He'll be coming to school.
Yeah, but at least I'm gonna get to see him before school. At my house. Oh, but he made some gifts. What are your gifts up there? Why do you have to always put them in the most annoying spots? What is that? Just treats, okay.
Last time I went to Trent's, he was very lethargic.
Okay. I need to go and kill the tunnel bear. Please get a gifted egg.
Oh I'm doing the QR code quest for.
Oh. Okay. Finally, the Cub Buddy actually punched one that I actually wanted instead of punching something like Haste or something like that. And bada boom.
The other day I got 6 microconverters
Glitter.
from him.
Ooh, that's pretty good stuff. I got one microconverter. How many tickets do I have? I have 247. Oh, not that good. 247.
Damn it, I need 50 more. Looks like Spirit Bear is going to be ignored for a while.
Okay. I'm just going to be trying to do my Christmas ones because Christmas is only here for a certain amount of time. So yeah.
I just do whatever I get a boost for.
Okay. Even if it's
Look, I've got an...
like if you need if all your quests have everything except for pumpkin and you get like an amazing pumpkin thing, would you use pumpkin and not try and do a quest?
Yeah, I just got 2 times pineapple and I don't want that.
Okay.
I don't need rose either, I think, but I'll double check. I might need it for Bucko.
Okay. Get the things all day, yes, please.
No, but I'll just use the rose
Get
boost because...
Get it all, please.
Thomas?
Yeah, what?
Should I try to do Riley B's ornament?
Okay. How close are you?
I've almost done the red pollen. I've done 25 scorpions. I've done the boosts. And I can do the fire ants easy.
Okay.
Because...
Hopefully this is something amazing.
The only hard thing will be the cactus.
Okay. Ugh, just a dumb real one. Okay, I'll go to Pineapple Patch first, because that's what I need. A boop. A boop. Oh, there's already a thingy in here. That's good.
Oh, you have one of my sprinklers.
Okay, oh, Ethan, and... There.
Well, nothing good.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
lagging.
thank you.
It's annoying. I'm lagging.
Oh, I'm trying to finish off the 250 red pollen.
Okay. I'm gonna pause the recording and I'll be back. So start recording now. Yes, it's working now. Okay. Yeah, what?
How much pollen do you think I've done in the mushroom field for mushroom montage?
Oh, that stupid mushroom meter Montone.
Yeah, I only have to guess the million.
Okay, so can I get one hint? Like, is it
I've done quite a...
under 100 million?
Yes, it's under 100.
Okay. 74 million.
Higher.
82.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Ah, I left the call. Come back to me, Ethan. Oh, Ethan's gone for the now. Wait, he is coming back soon. Come on, contacting. Come on. Come back to me, Ethan. I am a loner without you. Come back to me. Join. Oh, hello again. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone and then it was like left call. So yeah, I'm back.
How much Tabby love do you have?
Tabbies, 485.
I have as much as you. I have heaps too. 18.
Wow, 18. That's spectacular. Oh, buddy, what gifts do you have today? More treats, not cool. Cloverfield. Do you have any
I like
more of
how-
those night bell thingies?
Yes.
Could you make it nighttime?
I've only got 2 and I'm saving 1 and I want to donate 1 to the wind tribe.
Why do you want to donate one? You're gonna get crap.
I know, but I still want to do it. I don't know why.
Just do it
Unless
now
a
then.
YouTuber do-
Just do it.
Unless I can see a YouTuber do it. I can't.
Why?
I need to save 150 blueberries and then donate it all.
You know you can donate every 4 hours. It's not like a once in a lifetime thing.
Wait, it's every 4?
Yeah.
What the?
Pretty sure it
You're
is.
joking.
I actually might.
Every
I might be
hour.
wrong. I might be wrong. Yeah, I think it's actually every hour. I'm thinking of something else.
What are you thinking of?
Oh,
Oh, I need sparkles. Get
I was thinking of brown beer for some reason.
There's so many sprouts everywhere. I'm gonna do this one because I need blueberries.
I want to do that one too. Don't pop it yet. I need like over 50. I need 59. If my math is correct. My math's probably not
I
correct.
need 150.
I don't
I've
want
already
them.
got
I'll try not to
106.
get the blueberries. I just need the other things like pineapple. Okay. Treat. Okay. Honey does not count. Oh, because that was from Rhino Beetle. That's why.
I was coming over here just to get the blueberry dispenser. That was it.
Okay.
And then it was like,
So now I just need
damn it, I only need
more
9
of
more.
that. I just need more tokens from Sprouts, and then Vicious, Windy, and a Werewolf.
There's one right there. I don't need moon, so you can have that.
But what? What you saying?
There's one right there.
Where? I'm blind.
The moon and the dandy.
The moon and the dandy. What do you mean?
Dandelion. It's a moon
Oh,
one.
moon sprout. You just said moon, and I was like, what? What? How is there a moon in the dandelion field? Okay, I'll do this for a bit.
I need. I need a sprout and a blue field.
Do you want me to do a sprout and a blue field for you?
Yes, please.
How many do I have? If I'm really low, I might not do. Okay, I've got 5. I'll do it soon.
Okay.
Do you need a lot or just a little?
Just 9 more blueberries and that's it.
Well, I think I'll just do like a better field than the lower one, because like you'd rather get more than less.
Yeah.
So yeah. And okay, this one's popped. Get everything. There's another noob here as well, and I did all the work, and then he's like, "Hey, I'm gonna do everything." Yeah.
I'm gonna.
5 moon charms. That's pretty good. How many moon charms do I have? I haven't needed moon charms in ages. How many do I have? I have 286. I've got 286. Are they used in crafting thing? Oh yeah, they're used for glitter. But it's also with magic
How much
beans.
glitter do you have?
Glitter. I have. How many glitters? Glitters. Where is my glitters? 11.
32.
I've got 101 red extract. Are you up here?
I used to have.
Where are you? I said I'd do
I'm
the...
coming. I'm in Rose. I'm coming.
Okay. Can't find it there. Magic bean. Imagine if it's like gummy or something like that. It's
I've got
rare.
91 blue extracts, but since I've been donating a whole bunch of red extracts, I've only got 55.
Oh, I did the opposite. I had to donate a lot of blue ones. So I'm low on blue and high on red. So I just do that and then get those blueberries. Oh, those are my blueberries from my mantis, yeah.
I just bought some blueberries, so now I only need 3 more.
3 more, okay, good. What if you didn't even need my sprout, because you get 3 more randomly?
Me can't find any blueberries.
I see so many
Magic
blueberries on the
sprout from
left
it.
side. There's so many on the left side and you're on the right side.
No, it's okay, I've got a whole bunch. I got a sprout though, so I can continue on my journey with sprouts.
Wait, is that mine?
Because I had no sprouts.
Oh, hello, Jelly Bean Bug. Was that my werewolf? No, that wasn't my werewolf.
I hope
Wait,
I
yes,
get
it
something
was.
good out of the 150 blueberries.
It was? Has it been an hour since we started playing? Remember earlier when I was
Maybe.
talking about the memory? It hasn't, though. What?
I
I killed it
It's
early.
only been 30 minutes.
I know.
Or 40. There's a windy bee somewhere.
Oh, right here, in the pumpkin. Ethan, I think Onnet changed the, either the things on the tree lower, respawn time, or the vicious bee is buffed up a lot with that part, because now it only is half an hour instead of 1 hour. That's way more than what it used to be. Okay, I've defeated one windy bee. It's really all I needed, but okay.
I need vicious.
Same. Oh, and it's nighttime. Okay. Ethan,
What I'm trying to do.
if you find it, please wait for me.
And wait for me if you find it.
Yep, I will.
It's not in the 5 area. And it's not in Rose.
Oh, not in
I'll
Rose.
check 5
Okay.
and 50. I don't think it's in the 15.
Check the 10.
It's not in the 15. I'm going to check out the 25.
Oh. And check the 10 after that. I'm down in the below 5. I'm checking Clover. I think it's gonna be in Clover.
Because last night, it's in Mountaintop.
Okay. I need to go to Mountaintop.
Yes, and then I only need 1 more.
What level is it? Oh, well, you can't check yet, and don't check, because what if it's like a easy level and then you defeat it quick?
And no one comes up and gets it.
I'm close. I'm just about to go in the red cannon. No, I'm using the red cannon. And red cannon? Okay, just, I think, activate it now. How low is it?
Level 6, 21,000.
Okay. I'm here, but my bees aren't yet.
Oh,
You just need 1 hit on it to count.
I don't care how much, as long as I get the defeat in my quest.
Yeah, same.
After this, I don't care about them anymore.
Same.
Because I only need to get 1 more of these, and then I don't care. At least I
Okay.
get it for a quest. Because I've already got 100 more stingers.
Yeah, okay. And done. Is that my whole quest done now? That I just got? No, I need some more. So he's defeated another werewolf. I just did. Was that a glitch?
I'm gonna go farming spider. Because I need 30 mil.
Okay.
Have you got any master fields?
Master. Master for fields.
Yeah.
Ace, 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 ace. Ace, 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 ace. Ace, 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 junior cadet. Nope.
Because I only need 3,000 more to get my pineapple master.
Okay, what does my pineapple one on? My pineapple's quite far away.
227 mil.
I'm 30
I
mil.
haven't done my blueberry eggs. I mean, blue flower.
Okay. Oop. There. And collect everything. Yes. Come on. Is that done? Ding. Oh, so close. Oh, gifts. Yep. Oh, now it's hard to tell what one's from the sprout and what one's from you. Gonna have to use another one now. Ah. Ethan just told me I need to find Sparkle. Oh, Windy Bee is still here. Oh, it's only like a little bit left though. And he's gone. Windy Bee's fleeing.
Yeah. I need to get my glue dispenser because I need 6 mil glue of anything.
Okay. Now what can I do? Oh, I can talk to Brown Bear and see if he gives me a star jelly, which he probably won't because he's all stubborn and annoying.
Yeah, he's only done that like once or twice for me.
Oh, me 3 or 4, but every time it's like...
Or maybe 3.
Oh, there was a magic bean's nice, but not too helpful at the moment. Oh, I could actually do another star jelly. Should I do a star jelly and do gambling part 2?
If you want.
It's not going to be called gambling part 2, but I think I will.
Well, I only need two more new discovered types, and then I can get a gold amulet.
Cool, I got a gold amulet and it's pretty good. Hello, spider, what will you give me today? Not that good stuff. Spider. Yeah, I had to see you right there.
Oh, am I just killing my spider?
I'm gonna collect this goo. Thank you very much.
I need it for my quests, that's why I'm doing it.
Okay, I'm just gonna collect a little bit in this corner and then go now. Oh, I'll have to end my other, like my, I think gumdrops are crafting at the moment, like 50 of them. Because I need them for a quest. Well, I don't need the gumdrops, I just need the, craft.
Yeah, same. That's why I'm crafting like 25 gumdrops or something at the moment. I want to check how long it had, because last time I checked it had 1 hour
Star
and 40 minutes.
jelly. Oh, okay.
But I want to get all my goo for my quest done first.
Okay.
Because I don't care
What's
about
the next
using gumdrops,
level
since I don't need
of
gumdrops
this?
anymore.
300. What? It's way too expensive. I was just checking out the price for the sprinklers. I can't afford that at
What?
the moment.
The golden gushes.
Yeah.
I'm not saving up for the next one with how dear those golden
Yeah.
gushes were.
Yeah, like it's 4 billion. 444,444,444.
Say hello to the golden gushes because they're gonna stay, guys.
Yeah. For quite a while. Do you have any
Anyway.
do you have any mutations?
Yes, one.
Oh, and it's on your spicy.
Spicy. And its conversion rate.
I've got none
Because I got
so
an
far.
atomic treat, so I was like, I'll use it on him.
What does Mrs. Paul look like?
I'm gonna use Bitterberries on my tabby.
Have I
Not
finished?
all 47.
No, I've almost finished.
What do they do? Small chance to cause mutations. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I just need to wait for my star jelly to be done. I don't want to make this video too long because
I'll turn it off.
I feel like people don't really watch the really long videos. They just watch sort of like 25-minute long ones.
I watch your whole hour ones.
Okay.
Unless, I don't watch it if I'm in them though.
Yeah.
I know what's happened.
Well, like, what if you're in them like at a certain point, but you're not in them before that?
No, I only watch the thing that's not the certain point.
Okay. So how
Damn
long?
it! I need.
2 minutes and 41 seconds.
I still need quite a lot of waiting.
So, what do I need for you? I'm really close to that. Wow. I might. I won't get it today, but in the next like couple episodes, I think I'll get the Crimson Guard. I've got everything I need, but except for glitter and then the honey. And the glitter's not even that much. It's only 25.
How much is the honey?
200
I've got
million.
enough glitter for that.
200 million.
I've almost got 200 million.
Yeah, I've got
I'll
85
have to go
million.
check. Because I've got 100 things for it too. I'm almost enough for the cobalt.
I've got
I don't have
cobalt.
enough enzymes.
What I've
I
got
don't
right
have
now,
enough enzymes,
I've got everything that you have except I've got the Cobalt Guard instead of the Bucko Guard, and then I've got the Bubble Mask instead of the Honey Mask.
And you've got the honeycomb belt, and I've got the
Oh yeah.
But I'm getting the honeycomb belt.
Oh,
That's what I'm saving
I got a
up
notification,
in crafting
and now
ingredients
yes,
at the
okay, I
moment.
can click that now. Ugh. 1 minute and one second. 11 seconds.
No, I just realised in the summer it's going to get really hot, and then we have to wear those thick socks to school.
I hate those things.
Our feet's going to die.
My feet, when I take those off, are going to be melted. Where am I now? I'm at Stickbug.
And then in winter you expect them to be good because it's really cold. But no, they freeze your legs off.
I know, there's no happy medium.
Like, oh yes, it's winter. We're going to get warm feet. Frozen feet. Then you look at the girls with their plain white socks and they've got a heater in there. And then in summer, air conditioning.
Oh, I know.
So confusing. It's like Bamboozle.
I'm just randomly parkouring across the whole map while waiting for my star jelly. I've got it on my screen while walking around. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. End crafting. I've got a star jelly now. Cross your fingers, it's going to be
Thomas,
a good new one.
I've almost finished my Spirit Bear quest again.
Oh, wow. I'm going to do it on this Rascal Bee, because I've already got a Rascal Bee. Riley! I already have Riley, don't I? Yep, I already do. Haha. Why? I always get what I don't want. At least it's a little bit better than Rascal. It's a red, but better red.
What is my mum doing right now?
Google won't know what our mum's doing right now.
Look, Homer.
What does Homer have to do with my mum?
What?
What is that?
Tatum was like, Google, what is my mum doing right now? And then it came up with a picture of Homer Simpson.
Okay.
I've got 20 KB love, yay.
What is a Thomas?
And now she's trying to say, what's a Thomas?
I'm gonna end this video, I think, right now. Oh, buddy, you always make some gifts when I'm on a high place and then fall down to a low place.
Look, you never.
Who's that?
Oh my god, there's a video called
Oh.
Ethan Shut Up.
Remember Kay? Kay's here now.
Tatum said, Ethan, shut up. And then it came up, Ethan, shut up.
You're gonna-
Video.
You're gonna hear the doorbell ring in a couple seconds. Kay is here.
Is there a video?
Oh.
Okay, she's not
Is
ringing
she
the
here to pick you
doorbell.
up
She's
and take
just...
you to a no Wi-Fi mansion?
No, she's just here to talk to my Nana,
Is
but
there
she's
a
not ringing the
video?
door. She's literally just standing there expecting Nana to know that she's here. Oh.
Obviously, no, I'm here.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna
I'm
end my video now in the gummy present area. Please make it. No. I died and lost 4 million. And then a moon sprouts here.
Can I watch the movie Playing with Fire?
So if you guys enjoyed this video, So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button as hard as you can, and comment anything you want, notification bell I think. And I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.